What's up, everybody? I got the Traxxas Slash out here. I'm out here on the runway trying to see if I can get a good pass in out here. My first time being out here on the runway, so let's see if I can, try to get to that 180 with it. Let's see. Show that it's tracking. Hit track. Hit start. Okay. I've never been on this runway before, so I'm really not sure, how smooth it is. So I'm hoping that it's smooth. I'm hoping it's smooth enough to run the car. I'm hitting a lot of bumps and shit already. I didn't turn on none of my lights. That's what I didn't do. Let's see if I can turn the car around, if I can still see it. Okie dokie, it's turned around. Runway look clear. Let's see if I can pull this off. Hopefully I don't tear up this car. It's too bumpy. Too damn bumpy. It was bouncing around. Let's go get it. Runway wasn't smooth enough. Let's go get it. Look like the batteries. Hell. I broke some stuff. I broke a lot of stuff. I tore up my tires. I tore up a lot of stuff on that run, man. It was about to do, it was only doing 145 before it all tore up.